Atomic buffalo turds. Today on the fire escape. Starting out with some jalapeno peppers. We're gonna cut these in half lengthwise and try to keep the stem. Next thing we're gonna do is remove the seeds and the membrane. This is where most of the heat resides, so these peppers aren't gonna be that spicy. And by doing so, we create a nice little boat in which to put our stuffing. To make the stuffing, we start with some cream cheese, and we add some Jack and cheddar. And really you can add whatever type of cheese you prefer. You could even add chicken or sausage, totally up to you, just get creative. And here I'm adding some Cajun rub that's gonna give this a nice little kick. Mix all these ingredients together and we're ready to stuff our peppers. To do so is really easy. Just grab a spoon and take some of that stuffing and place it right into the hollowed out peppers. Next, we're gonna wrap these jalapenos in bacon. You don't wanna use particularly thick bacon here because it won't crisp up very well on the grill. And that right there is a thing of beauty. Place these onto your Weber Q roasting rack and roasting shield. And we are ready for the grill. Out here on the fire escape, I've preheated the Weber Q for about 10 to 12 minutes. Add your jalapenos and grill on low heat until the bacon is crispy with the lid closed. Here's how they look at 45 minutes. And here at 1 hour, they're ready to come inside. Atomic buffalo turds, also known as bacon wrapped stuffed jalapenos, grilled on a fire escape in Brooklyn, New York. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but I am sweating because I just ate that entire batch of jalapenos. These are absolutely fantastic. They are super addictive. The bacon, so crispy. The cheese is all nice and melty and was bubbling when I pulled it in. And the jalapeno itself is nice and soft, tender, not too spicy, but there is a little kick. You know, after you finish, it's like this little back end kick. These are wonderful, super addictive, atomic buffalo turds. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe, and of course, keep on grilling.